Okay, so as you can see, we've changed locations.
There's the toaster.
And the batter. And that over there is our makeshift fire extinguisher. Okay? Because remember, we want fire. Now,
And we are in the parking lot of Arthur Day.
okay. So, hopefully our old school didn't find out about this. So I guess we're gonna start. Now, usually you put the toastables in first, then you put the toaster down, but we're gonna put the toaster down first because it's more exciting that way.
Why put the toaster down first?
Because then the batter starts to cook right away.
Oh, okay.
We've got it all the way on high. I just accidentally put the toaster down and it's already starting to smell. And there's a bunch of other crud in there because it's been hiding in my dresser for I don't know how long. So, toaster down. It's already starting to get hot. Okay. Toaster pancakes! There's a wasp!
Go on the other side.
Why?
It's leaking out.
Aww. I think that's a fail.
Well, there's still some left.
Cook, bitch! I can hear it sizzling. You can see the smoke. Work! Please work. It's starting to smoke. I guess we just wait and see.
Okay, get that ready.
Makeshift fire extinguisher.
You can kind of see the smoke.
Good thing we're throwing this toaster out.
Yeah.
Oh look, you can see it cooking on the edge there.
Where?
Right there. You can see it's starting to get harder. Even in the inside, it's starting to get harder. That sounds really wrong. We're not talking about penises. Cook! Cook! Please cook. We should have put tape on the bottom. Stop smoking.
And there you have it.
Well, folks, that was a fail and a half. I'm very disappointed with the toaster. So I think there's going to be a part 3 of this when we get back home. Peace.
Bye.